What is going on, TubeView? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Today's little video, short, sweet, simple. We're just going over the this here rear diffuser. That is it. That is all. Pull her on out. Knock the box over. Of course, I had to go with carbon fiber again, so let's go. Pull it back out. There we go again. Wide body fitment. Because there's like no instructions, no nothing, just the diffuser and some screws. But unlike the last one that showed up, all my tabs are on this time. All my tabs, I don't know what that is, but all my tabs are on. Now I don't know how well they're gonna hold up, but they're on. At least they're on. It arrived in one piece. The old one on the 2019, they arrived, two of them were already broken, but it fit up there pretty good, and I didn't feel like waiting to ship it back and waiting for another, but it fit up there just fine. No one would never tell that it had broken tabs, but all of these tabs are here. So let's go ahead and throw this thing on real quick. I don't anticipate much of a hassle. I think I actually want to go ahead and drill these out before I put them on the car. There's a couple holes here that are like already marked out for you. One on the end. What's that? This one's kind of like non-existent over here, but it looks pretty straightforward. I assume it's pretty much the same as the 2019. That's why I don't anticipate making this video just too long. Just gonna be me point out where to do it, point out how I threw it up here real quick, and then just show you guys the finished look. And that should wrap it up. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my hardware out, or my tools out, so I can go ahead and pull off this the stock one real quick. Just go ahead and throw you guys up under here real quick so take a look. We're starting off with 4 of these guys right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 of those little plastic rivet deals or whatever, the fasteners. Pretty sure I got a little tool over there. You just pop them out and use a flathead if you don't have the tool. Pop them out. I don't think we can reuse it just because the holes don't match on the new diffuser, and we're gonna have to drill the holes out anyway. So let's go ahead and throw it up there real quick, or take this one off real quick, and then I'll show you guys how it looks when it's taken off. Alright, so I got the first 2 little grommets out. Use my little tool right here, stick it in, boop, pry them out, pops them right on out. So 2 down, and then for these deals, screws, let's have a little 7mm socket here, my little screwdriver. We're just gonna pull those out real quick. And just like that, all 4 screws are out. Boop. They all are right there. So let's go ahead and try to pry this or pull it off. I think that should be everything. I don't see anything else that will be holding it up. Yep. See, it's already just popping right out. All the rocks and stuff that just collects in there. Look. All that stuff. Look at that. What the hell is that? Just sitting in there. But so there you go. Tabs are intact. You just work your way around. Pop them on out. Watch. Boop. 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 But pulling that first one off, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared. I was like, did I miss a screw? It looks pretty simple, but once you get that first one out, the other ones pretty much just fall out. I'm gonna put you guys down because I don't want, just be pulling with one hand and then tear this last one up. All right, there she is. That's the old one off. That's the new one going on. And that's what it looks like up underneath. Go ahead and put the holes in there first before I put it on. Then it should be pretty straightforward after that. Hopefully all the rest of the little holes line up and we just pop her on, be good to go. All right, tune back in when I'm done drilling the holes in. Oh yeah, here's the hardware that comes with it. You only get 4. There's 6 holes that need to be made. 4 in the middle, 2 on the outside, but it only comes with 4 of these. So probably gonna try reusing some of the ones we already have, and then save these for the outside. Gonna try that because it doesn't look like there's a size difference between the 2. It really doesn't. like, or lengthwise. The thread count is different. The thread pattern is definitely different. But as far as the length, it looks to be pretty similar. So I'm probably gonna save these for the outside too, and use the OEM screws to go in the middle ones. Looks like we should be good to go from here. So let's go ahead, throw it on, and see how everything fits together. So that took a little more convincing than I thought it would, but they're in there. I tried working from the middle first. The middle, it wasn't liking that. So I started from the sides and worked my way around and down. But other than that, looks like it's good to go. Alrighty, Tube U, one of my little fasteners is in. We ended up rolling with some of my other retainer clips that I have, little kit that I bought off of Amazon. Whenever I had the 2019 Hellcat, a couple of things you learn about having the same car 18 times in a row is, you know, you start buying parts and you start saving up parts, and these come in handy real quick. So this is what came with the car. As you can see, it's a tad too big to fit back into the hole. Sorry, it was a tad too big to fit back into the hole that I had here, and like I said, I don't have a drill, so what I ended up doing was using one of these Phillips bits, boring out the hole to the size that I needed it to, and then tried to fit this back in there. It didn't fit. Of course, you know, 18 different retainer clips, one of these has to fit, right? And this is the perfect size right here, so that one was able to pop right on in there. And as you can see, snug as a bug. She ain't budging. That thing ain't going nowhere. So all we're gonna do is rinse, repeat, do it on the other side, and that is gonna wrap up this little short video. Good to go. All are in. Everything is snug. Boom, 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 boom. Everything was good to go. So let's pull it down and see how she looks in the sunlight, man. I want to see how this thing looks. Let's check it out. Alrighty, now we're out here. Let's take a look around her. Let's check it out. Check her out. Oh yeah, we gotta get some pics of that. Alright, so 200 bucks. I think it was like 260. For some reason on their own website, it's like 350 or 360 or something like that. It's some crazy price. I'm like, I don't think that's real carbon fiber. And if it was real carbon fiber, it'd be like $800,000-$900,000 damn dollars. It'll be a lot more expensive than 300 bucks. So I'm pretty sure that's not real carbon fiber. So why would I pay this much? And considering the diffuser on my old one, the 2019, it was only like 150. So price has gone up a little bit, you know, as with everything, but Jesus Christ. They did have some cheaper ones that look just like this. They had some cheaper ones, had a couple of other brands and designs and stuff, but this is the one that I like. They had one with like a white stripe or one with like a light or something there, but 260 bucks, I'm not complaining one bit. Definitely looks way better than the OEM one. Oh yeah, that's a good looking diffuser right there. But other than that, you guys just check it out. Not too terrible. I'll get a couple of pictures, post them here at the end, but that's enough wasting your time. Like I said, try to keep this video short, sweet, and simple. This isn't like an instructional video or anything. It's me going through, stepping through the steps that I did to get this little thing to fit on here. Just in case you decide you want to buy one. Of course, the wind wants to pick up now. It's been no wind this whole time. But just in case you wanted to pick yourself up one and you know you're perusing through, hopefully this video helps you. But that's all I got. Swing to the Instagram channel, Low376. If you guys want to check me out over there, check out any pics, see anything you like over there, shoot me any DMs or any questions you may have. YouTube channel is the exact same thing. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you guys get notifications when these videos go up. Until next time, Tube U, I'm out. Peace.